Hello everyone, welcome back to Corechamp's online tutorial series on MIT app development. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a drawing application for you all. So here we are going to make one application feature in which we will be creating some sort of drawing engine. So that let's start our new project. Drawing, just drawing is fine. Alright, so here we have started our new project. So the first part is we will be adding three buttons, button 1, 2 and 3. So now we have to rename these buttons, and before that we will be adding one drawing feature, that is our canvas. So here I have added my canvas and I will be adjusting its height to fill parent and width also to fill parent. So to the first button I will be renaming it to clear. Second button will be save. Third button will be green. Similarly, I'll be naming their text options also. First button was clear. Second is save. And the last one is green. This one was save. And now we have to select the last one. It's green. Alright, so that looks nice. You can change the color of these buttons or the background of the buttons, and but I won't be discussing this in this video as we have already covered in our previous parts. So now let's get back to blocks and make changes in our coding structure. So the first part is we will be dragging one clear button. So in the button section is a clear. So when the clear is clicked, we have to clear our canvas. For that we will be going to canvas and look for call canvas one clear, which is this one. I will insert it here. So now whenever I will be clicking my clear button, my whole canvas will be cleared. Second is when canvas 1 dragged. When canvas 1 dragged, here I will call canvas 1 draw line, as we have to draw lines on it. Here is my call draw line. Under this I will be making its x and y axis, like in the perf x here, preview y. Similarly with the current and current y. So that's for our canvas 1. Now we have to initialize one variable. So we will be initializing our variable from the variable menu, and we will be naming it to save count. Now go to maths and add 1 to it, because we will be starting from number 1. And the last button is our save button. So when save button clicked, we have to evaluate its result. For that evaluate but ignore result. We will be inserting it here. Now we have to call canvas, save as, call canvas. Under this there will be something called save as, this one. Put it here. And now we have to add join. And we have to get global save count. For this we will go here, get global save count. We will add one string again. Now we have total 3 strings. Now we will be adding text to these strings. First one is my image, my img, that is my image. We will duplicate it and insert it in the second option in .jpg. That means in this format our image will be saved, whichever picture you will be drawing. At the last we will be adding set global save count. For that again we will go to initialize section, drop one global save count. 2. Here we will be adding one maths feature of addition. We will put it here. Now we have to get global save count because we want to save our value here and save to 1. Alright, that's it in our block section. So now we have to test our application. For that you can connect it to our AI companion and scan this code.
Let's turn on our MIT app companion. Scan QR code. So here we have scanned our code. And our application is now ready to use. So now you can type anything or draw whichever structure you want. So you can draw various images on whichever you like on your system. So that's how you can create your own drawing application. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice time.